Hello everyone, my name is Long Lee and welcome back to my channel today. Now today we are going to look at the monthly market update. Specifically, this one is reported in August 2020. So normally this dedicated for every month, right? So this video right here, we're talking about monthly market update in August 2020. We're gonna look at all the data that we have for the last 30 days. What happened to the real estate market, right? Is it going up? Is it going down? I know that is a lot of people. I'm sorry, I'm sharing on here to a group so that more and more people are gonna know about this. Um, okay, yeah. So today I'm going to again talking about the monthly market update in August 2020, and we're going to look at all the detail how the market is moving for the last 30 days, right? We're going to see how many listing actively on the market. Is it quickly that the house gets sold? How fast it is gets sold? How many of them are under contract, and what is the demand on the market, right? We're gonna look at all the number relating to real estate in Phoenix Mesa metro area. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have in this video. The first number, if you follow my channel, we're gonna looking at the monthly sales, right? This is the number of sales within this month, within the last 30 days, and it is reported at 10,303. Okay, so when you compare with previous month, because one number doesn't mean anything, right? If you're looking at my channel for the first time, the red chart right here showing the trend of monthly sales month by month. Okay, so month by month, obviously you see that the number of sales keep increasing and increasing. This is June right here, and this is July, right? There is an increase of 8.4% compared to previous months. Now, what does that mean? That means that more home gets sold within the month of August 2020. When you compare to previous year, 2019. Now, remember, 2019, we don't have COVID, right? We don't have COVID. However, though, the number of sales is actually decreased after May and June and July, which is a normal market of real estate, right? But regardless of COVID, we have a big jump in August 2020 to 10,303. That's actually a significant increase of 12% compared to previous year of 2019. All right. Now, what is the next number? We are going to looking at the new inventory. Why do we have to looking at new inventory? That's showing how much houses how many houses available on the market in the month of August 2020, and the number reporting at 9,550 homes on the market. That's actually an increase after you see here on the red line again, after a 3 months almost flat, right? Almost flat in terms of new inventory coming to the market. Now in July, it's actually start picking up, right? It start picking up, and that's actually an increase of 13.9% compared to previous months, right? So that's a good sign for the market, because the more home available on the market, the more people are going to be able to buy their house. However, though, let me change this real quick. Okay. However, though, if you're looking at the next number, that's actually a total inventory as of now, it's only 13,000, about 13,000 homes on the market, right? That's actually a decrease of 27% compared to previous year. So as you see, even though there are more home on the market, the total inventory at the end of the month is actually less. So that means that even there's more home on the market, but the demand is extremely high and buyer buying those homes very, very fast. And we're going to look at how fast it's gone in the next couple of 2 slides. But again, these number right here, total inventory, is a decrease of 9.6% compared to previous months, and it is a 27.8% decrease when you compare to last year. The gray line right here is the last year, and the red line right here is this year. Okay, so obviously we don't have that actually confirmed what I have been telling everyone, that in Phoenix metro area, there are not a lot of houses for sale. Even if there are, the buyer get those houses very quickly. And if you are looking for houses, you probably know how quickly those houses gone, right? It could gone within 24 hours of listing. So if you are a buyer actively on the market, you know what I meant by when I say that. Okay. The next number, the next set of number we're actually looking at to determine how fast a house gets sold on the market is actually the first number we are going to looking at is the monthly supply of inventory. What does this number mean? So this number basically tells you that, okay, if there's no more houses currently on the market, right, then with the current amount, it's only gonna take them about 1 month and couple days, 5 to 10 days to get everything sold, right? So that shows how fast the market gonna be completely empty if there's no more houses on the market. When you compare to previous months, that's actually 1.51. So there's a decrease already, meaning that, hey, the buyers getting those houses very quickly. Okay, the next set of number we are going to look at is the number of days on the market. That's actually only 55 days on the market. That is a decrease of 1 day compared to previous month. That's actually also showing how fast it's gone, right? So if you are listing a house on the market, you're supposed to sell it within 55 days. Now this is on market, okay? So some houses going to be sold faster than the other, but this number is only a mean average days on the market, okay? The next set of number gonna make more sense to a lot of people, and it's also more exciting because we're actually looking at the dollar amount, right? The dollar amounts of prices. How did the sale price changes compared to previous months? So the first number right here on the far left showing a 325,000. That is the median. That is the median new listing prices. Okay, for this month, August 2020. So that's actually, when you're looking at that, it doesn't mean much, but when you compare to previous year, okay, that is previous year is actually increase of 12.9%. Okay, so as I told a lot of people in regarding to the new listing price, right? Even though COVID, people still are very confident about the value of their home, and they are willing to list their home higher than the previous month as well as the previous year. Okay, so that is the listing price. So some of you are gonna ask me, hey Long, that's actually just a listing price, so it doesn't matter much because the listing price is one thing and how much it is sold for is another thing, right? Because one seller can put the price, but it never gets sold at that price. Okay, but now that is the middle number gonna tell you the sale prices of $315,000. Now again, this is the median sale price for the entire Phoenix metro area. Okay, now for one thing, you're gonna say, obviously the listing price, the sale price is much less than the list price than $10,000. Yes, okay, that is normal because whatever the seller is asking for may not be the same as the sale price. However, though, if you are comparing the sale price of this month versus the last year, it's actually already increased about 12.5%. Okay, so if your home is about $300,000 last year, it could be about $330,000 this year already. So that is about $30,000 equity that you earn without doing anything to your home. Think about it. That is actually a lot of increase, about 10%, 12.5% in the entire Phoenix metro area. Now, of course, different area gonna have different appreciation, okay, but in general, in median, on average, it is 12.5% increase compared to last year. That is actually a very good news for the seller, even though regardless of COVID, I know lots of you lose job and cannot go to work, and there's a lot of strategy happening nowadays. But in terms of home pricing, you actually get a great appreciation compared to last year. Hey, by the way, if you do need a customized home evaluation, I provided that for free at this website right here. So just go to that website, enter your address information, I will send it to you for free. All right, now some of you might think, okay, so what is the last number? Okay, the last number is the forecast of how a forecast of how the price of the home gonna change next month. It is forecast at $320,000 for next month. So that is another $5,000 increase if you didn't do anything for your home. Now, some of you might think, okay, if this is the first time you watch my channel, some of you may think, so what? This is just a forecast, right? This may not be true. Now, if you watch my previous video, you're gonna see about the monthly market in July. You're gonna see that actually we predict the sale price for August is actually only $310,000 in August 2020. However, the real number is actually 315. So we not only very conservative in terms of forecasting the number, the sale price, okay, but also get very accurate, okay, in terms of direction where it goes. So the next month we forecast that the model forecast the sale price can be about $320,000, which show a very strong seller market in Phoenix metro area right now. As a buyer, you may have a lot of difficulty to get an offer accepted, right? You're gonna have to compete with a lot of other buyers on the market who are hungry for houses as well. You may ask why. The reason is that interest rate, even though it has been increased a little bit, but it's still at a very low rate. In terms of respected, let me show you this map right here. Why is interest rate extremely benefit buyers like you, like me, right? Home buyer, right? So if it is a $300,000 home, you're gonna see that in 1970. Let me open it real big. Okay, in 1970, because of the interest rate is about 8.86, you have to pay a monthly payment of $23.84. That's a lot of money, guys. And now that is not even included taxes, insurance, and HOA, if anything. Okay. Now, as you see here, 1980, the interest rate is even higher, 12.7%, and you have to pay $3,000 for the same value, for the same home value. So that's a lot of increase. That's about $1,000 difference if the interest rate increased about 4%, right? Now, in 2010s, right, in this century right here, we have about 4.09%. The monthly payment is only $14.48. As today market, which is interest rate about 2.96%, you actually only have to pay $12.58. So that is the real reason, guys. That is the real reason why lots and lots of buyers want to buy houses nowadays. That's crazy, because your ability to have your own home is greater than ever because of the interest rate is such a low rate right now. And this chart is putting there for your to help you understand why interest rate low is really important to you. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. My name is Long Lee. I am the owner and the agent of Equity First Realty. I am happy to provide you a special program for all the sellers nowadays because it's such an easy for you to sell the house. Only $19.88, a flat fee service to sell your home. You don't have to pay any percentage for your home to get sold. Okay, so hopefully if you have any question, give me a call. If you need a home evaluation, a free home evaluation, please visit my website here, and I'm gonna send you a customized free home evaluation within 2 or 3 days. Okay, my name is Long Lee, working with Equity First Realty. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.